Hello, my name is Alex and welcome to the St. Julian's, Malta. We're gonna check out Alice Pizzeria, a Roman-style square pizza. Pizza Romana square, and I ordered fresh out of the oven Margherita. Let's go. So crunchy. This is a light, very thin and crunchy pizza. I've noticed on Google reviews that many people are praising pizza carbonara from Alice Pizzeria. So I ordered, it was also fresh from the oven. Let's begin. Pizza carbonara with a guanciale bacon, which is actually used to make pasta carbonara. All that spiciness inside, it really reminds you of pasta carbonara. You can feel the pepper, you can feel the saltiness of the bacon, that nice and crunchy dough again. I mean, this pizza is again outstanding. Both pizzas are great. Margherita is so light in each and every way. Carbonara is yet for the people who like a bit of spiciness, a bit of stronger taste. I hope you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. All the best.